Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little packing up. This is actually my entry into Janai's giveaway. She is actually celebrating her 5-year anniversary with Happy Mail, and so she's requesting 5 things. They could be 5 bows, five of anything, embellishments, something. They could be all identical or different. She was hosting it on her Instagram. I don't know if she announced it on her YouTube, but she is revealing everybody's entries on YouTube. So I'm using a Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio box. I just need to put a piece of paper right there. So I have a little bit of crinkle paper and some of those Christmas balls. And I went ahead and I made this little topper using a Rosette that Christina gifted me. This little background die, this is from Tuesday morning, the little chipboard. And I did like a, these are the stickers, like the, I don't know what this is, like a rubbery sticker. I don't know how to, like almost like a puffy sticker. And the cups in the back right here are such a perfect size for all the critters to like hold it. So I just filled it with sequins, like a cup of sequins, you know, all of us crafters. Okay, but I just added my little dangles. I made these while I was at Christina's one day. The back topper was actually gifted to me, I think by Christina, and some like carousel papers, but this one was like a solid pink, so I was able to use it with this collection. Got some there, and then I got to use a new die because you guys, I'm on a design team and I get so many dies that I don't get to use them. This one is from KS Craft. I thought that you cut this out twice and it made like a, like, you know, a 1-inch box. It does not. If you cut it out once, and it's these skinny, narrow little boxes, which I actually like because I don't have anything like that. I used a little Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio like binder clip to kind of just group them together. And then I used that new Andy store die that comes with the layering piece. So this middle paper pattern right there, and I added pom-poms to all of them. And then I just cut out this part again to give it some pattern paper, because this is cut out in 110. And then your window could be this big rectangle, which is what I have. It could be this little one, or it could be, you know, a circle with a tag. You don't have to have a window. But I left the acetate off and the little bows so she can rip them off. They're just popped up on little stickers. So those are those guys. And then I finally, you guys, like I said, oh my gosh, this one is from KLJUYP store. It is still in stock. This is from like 2 years ago. This is a hamburger box. I got to play with the French fry box, and I never got to play with the hamburger box, and I am in love. I can't believe I like waited as long as I did. But it comes with all the layering pieces. The top panel, you could do the like lace style. I decorated the front with one of the cardstock stickers. This flower was gifted to me by my friend Lori, who's creating for fun. She makes and sells these. These ones right here are made by Monica, who is scrapping for my boys. And then the rest are just like, you know, Prima and Aliexpress style flowers. So cute. And then there's a little tab for this to go on the inside so it stays shut. That, and I did panel the inside, and I'm just gifting her some of these what are these called? I don't know, something rosettes, which there's now a die for that on Aliexpress versus the embossing folder that is extinct by Anna Griffin. Kind of just have it in there like tissue paper, you know, like a hamburger would be. It's gonna go like that. Stick a little piece of paper to cover that, and that is everything. I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.